My video guide is about getting rid of the ransomware called Lock, and this is the ransomware from the Medusa Locker family. First of all, I want to tell you that this video is only for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting this ransomware. In the video, I will just show you the negative impact of the ransomware and will give you some recommendations on how to possibly recover your files. I cannot guarantee, though, that I will help you recover the files. Anyway, before the ransomware's attack, users are able to open their files without troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Regretfully, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this Lock ransomware may be very easily injected into the computer. So very soon users realize that they can no longer access their data because of this Lock ransomware. The ransomware encrypts files and damages them considerably. After all, it is not possible to open the files anymore. The ransomware would tell the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration. Of course, paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration. So these are the results of the ransomware attack. The ransomware appends this Lock3 extension and it's not possible to use the data. It also reveals this ransom note titled as how to back files. And do not pay the ransom, don't waste your money. What I recommend you to do is to examine your computer, to research your computer with Cleaner Antivirus. It works as anti-ransomware too. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com. So through this official website, download Cleaner Antivirus. Download the program, install it, and once it has been successfully installed, start carefully investigating this system. Combo Cleaner, by the way, will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. Then you need to click on the Start Scan button and the software will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware or ransomware or any other types of threats. So wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished by Combo Cleaner. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Of course, some threats can be removed manually, but I recommend you to consider upgrading to Premium, and you can always request trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. So take your time, wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. Please pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called anti-ransomware. It helps to remove the infection and to protect your data, even though Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files, and there is no any other antivirus which would be able to decrypt files though. But Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to effectively get rid of this horrible ransomware from your computer. Just wait until the scanning is finalized and you will see the summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data.